When considering running power under carpets, several options exist, each with its own characteristics. Flat ribbon cables offer a low profile and are designed for discrete installation. One example is the Southwire 94,056,142, a 6-conductor flat ribbon cable, rated for indoor use only and holding both UL and CUL listings. Belden 9326 is another option, a 14-conductor flat ribbon cable suitable for under-carpet installations while being both NEC and UL compliant. Alpha Wire 10360 presents a 10-conductor flat ribbon cable featuring a low-profile design and is UL and CUL certified. Beyond flat ribbon cables, round conductor options provide different benefits. Southwire 94,050,942 is a 14/2R Omex cable specifically designed for under-carpet installations and is NEC and UL listed. Belden 1803 is a 14/2 SJTW cable known for its flexibility and durability, making it suitable for temporary under-carpet use. Alpha Wire 12103 offers a 12/2 SUB cable, which features a heavy-duty construction that makes it usable in damp or oily environments. Before making a decision, several additional considerations must be addressed to ensure a safe and code-compliant installation. Firstly, verify that the chosen cable meets the requirements set forth by the NEC, UL, and IBC in your specific locality. Local codes may have specific requirements that must be adhered to for safety and compliance. Secondly, consider the height of the carpet to select a cable with an appropriate thickness. A cable that is too thick could create an unsightly bump or tripping hazard, while one that is too thin might not provide adequate protection. Thirdly, determine the installation method, specifically if using a tack strip or another method to secure the cable under the carpet. Properly securing the cable prevents movement and reduces the risk of damage or disconnections. If the installation is temporary, opt for a cable that is easy to remove and reinstall. This simplifies the process of moving or reconfiguring the setup. To ensure a professional installation, several tips can be helpful. Run the cable along the perimeter of the room and use tack strips to secure it in place. This keeps the cable out of high traffic areas and reduces the risk of damage. Use a cable ramp or floor box to transition the cable from the wall into the carpet. These accessories protect the cable and create a smooth transition, reducing the risk of tripping. Protect the cable from damage by using a carpet protector or heavy-duty tape. These measures provide an additional layer of protection and prevent wear and tear on the cable. When selecting a cable, it is important to consider the amperage requirements of the devices that will be powered. Ensure that the cable is rated for the appropriate amperage to prevent overheating or electrical hazards. It is also important to select a cable with the appropriate voltage rating for the application. Using a cable with a voltage rating that is too low can result in insulation breakdown and electrical shock. In addition to the above-mentioned tips, consider using a cable snake to help route the cable under the carpet. This tool can make it easier to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstructions. It is also important to avoid running the cable under heavy furniture or in areas where it could be pinched or crushed. This can damage the cable and create a fire hazard. When making connections, be sure to use properly rated connectors and make sure that all connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause arcing and overheating, which can also lead to a fire. Finally, always test the installation after it is complete to make sure that it is working properly. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and voltage at the outlets. This will help to ensure that the installation is safe and reliable. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about installing electrical wiring under carpet. They can provide guidance on selecting the right cable and ensuring that the installation is code compliant. Consider the environment in which the cable will be used. If the area is prone to moisture or spills, choose a cable that is rated for wet locations. This will help to prevent corrosion and electrical shock. When installing the cable, be careful not to damage the carpet or padding. Use a blunt tool to avoid cutting or tearing the materials. If you are using tack strips, make sure that they're properly secured to the floor. Loose tack strips can create a tripping hazard. After the installation is complete, inspect the carpet for any signs of damage or wear. If necessary, repair or replace the carpet to prevent further damage. In addition to the safety considerations, it is also important to consider the aesthetic impact of the installation. Choose a cable that is discreet and blends in with the surroundings. Consider using a cable concealer to hide the cable from view. By following these tips, you can install electrical wiring under carpet safely and effectively. This can be a convenient way to provide power to devices in the center of a room without having to run wires through walls or ceilings. Always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards for electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in technology and safety practices. The NEC is not law, but it is widely adopted by state and local governments as the basis for their electrical codes. Compliance with the NEC is essential to ensure the safety of people and property. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It also includes specific requirements for different types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial. When installing electrical wiring under carpet, it is important to comply with all applicable requirements of the NEC. This includes using approved wiring methods, providing adequate overcurrent protection, and ensuring that the wiring is properly grounded. The NEC also includes specific requirements for under-carpet wiring. For example, Section 394 covers flat conductor cable, which is a type of cable that is specifically designed for under-carpet installations. Flat conductor cable must be listed and marked for under-carpet use. It must also be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. The NEC also requires that under-carpet wiring be protected from physical damage. This can be accomplished by using a carpet protector or by installing the wiring in a raceway. In addition to the NEC, there may be other applicable codes and standards, such as those promulgated by UL and IBC. It is important to check with your local building department to determine which codes and standards apply in your area. UL, or Underwriters Laboratories, is an independent organization that tests and certifies products for safety. UL listing means that a product has been tested and found to meet UL safety standards. Many electrical products, including cables and wiring devices, are UL listed. When selecting electrical products for under-carpet installations, it is important to choose products that are UL listed. This will help to ensure that the products are safe and reliable. IC, or International Building Code, is a model building code that is widely adopted by state and local governments in the United States. The IBC covers a wide range of topics, including structural design, fire safety, and accessibility. The IBC also includes requirements for electrical systems. When installing electrical wiring under carpet, it is important to comply with all applicable requirements of the IBC. This includes providing adequate fire resistance and ensuring that the wiring is accessible for inspection and maintenance. Carpet height is an important consideration when selecting cable for under-carpet installations. The cable should be thin enough so that it does not create a tripping hazard, but it should also be thick enough to provide adequate protection. Flat conductor cable is often used for under-carpet installations because it is very thin. However, flat conductor cable is not suitable for all applications. For example, it is not suitable for use in wet locations. Round conductor cable is another option for under-carpet installations. Round conductor cable is generally thicker than flat conductor cable, but it is more durable and can be used in a wider range of applications. The installation method is another important consideration when selecting cable for under-carpet installations. If you are using tack strips to secure the carpet, you will need to choose a cable that is compatible with tack strips. Some cables are specifically designed for use with tack strips. Other cables can be used with tack strips, but you may need to use special fasteners. If you are not using tack strips, you can use other methods to secure the cable, such as adhesive tape or cable ties. The temporary or permanent nature of the installation is also an important consideration. If the installation is temporary, you will want to choose a cable that is easy to remove and reinstall. Flat conductor cable is often used for temporary installations because it is easy to install and remove. However, flat conductor cable is not as durable as round conductor cable, so it may not be suitable for permanent installations. Round conductor cable is more durable and can be used for permanent installations. However, round conductor cable is more difficult to install and remove than flat conductor cable. When running cable along the perimeter of the room, be sure to keep it away from sharp objects that could damage the cable. You should also avoid running the cable under heavy furniture or in areas where it could be pinched or crushed. When using a cable ramp or floor box, be sure to choose a product that is rated for the weight of the traffic that will be passing over it. You should also make sure that the cable ramp or floor box is securely attached to the floor. When protecting the cable from damage, you can use a carpet protector or heavy-duty tape. Carpet protectors are designed to protect the carpet from wear and tear, but they can also help to protect the cable from damage. Heavy-duty tape can be used to secure the cable to the floor and to protect it from abrasion. By following these tips, you can install electrical wiring under carpet safely and effectively. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. Always de-energize the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses. Inspect the wiring for any signs of damage before installing it. Do not install wiring in wet or damp locations. Do not overload the circuit. Test the installation after it is complete to ensure that it is working properly. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before undertaking any electrical work. The NEC is a living document that is constantly being updated. It is important to stay up to date on the latest changes to the code. You can purchase a copy of the NEC from the National Fire Protection Association. You can also find information about the NEC on the NFPA website. UL is a leading provider of safety testing and certification services. You can find information about UL listed products on the UL website. The IBC is a model built-in code that is widely adopted in the United States. You can find information about the IBC on the International Code Council website. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following the tips and information provided in this discussion, you can help to ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns.